Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to this thumbnail creator review video. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly leave a like and subscribe so you could see more reviews, software reviews, and recommendations for your businesses. So today we'll be talking about thumbnail creator review. What it is, what is it? Is it a good software? Will it help your business? Should you get it or should you not get it? So just like the name thumbnail creator, it's a graphics design software, helping you create amazing thumbnails, in just few clicks. You can see in just 3 clicks. And it has the most powerful AI thumbnail creation app for all video platforms. That means you could use this to create thumbnail graphics for your Instagram, for Facebook, for YouTube, and many more. We all know graphics is the lifeline of every business. It's the visually appealing section of every business. And so to make your business stand out, you need good graphics. And in cases where you're not good at graphics, that means you have to hire graphics designers. Alternative to hiring graphic designer is using softwares like Thumbnail Creator, which will help you, put those reviews, those thumbnails and graphics in place. You can see further benefits of the software, which includes creates professional thumbnails in minutes. You don't need any design skills. It's very 100% newbie friendly, professionally done for you. Templates in different niches, which you could just go pick them up, edit, and then upload to YouTube, to Instagram, or any video platforms. The graphics are, loyalty. They are free stock images, so that means you could use them over and over again without having any issues. The icons as well, and even the elements. So with this software, you could easily lift your YouTube business to the next level. It comes with full commercial licenses. You can also sell these thumbnail designs on Fiverr, on Upwork, or other freelance platforms. And Resize Features enables to create different projects other than thumbnails, pro color skins, pro fonts, and all of that trainings. If you pick this software with my link, I have these bonuses, attached for you, over 104 bonuses. You can see them right here. I'm gonna add this to the link, or if you don't find it in the link, you could email me on my through my email. I'll leave the email below, so you could claim all of these amazing bonuses. All right. And in addition to this, you could also claim this other pack 50 premium bonuses. You can see 9.9 again, be 380, 95, 230, 1.4, 3.2, and all of that. Everything here sums us to I think 11 gig or so. So these are power packs bonuses, meant to help your businesses. These are worth thousands of dollars, and I'm gonna be giving out all these bonuses for free if you decide to, pick this products using my link below. All right. Okay. So back to the video. The software helps you make great graphics in within minutes. You can see pick your favorite templates, let the AI make the best decisions for you, shape it for the purpose, edit it to what you want. For example, you could just pick, if your niche is the food niche, you just pick a template in the food category and then edit it to what you want. And then step 3, it's ready to publish and go viral. So it's very simple and very easy. You could see these companies like Canva, which are billion-dollar companies, this industry is roughly worth this amount. What this means is that people have to pay a whole lot of amount, to these companies to get thumbnails and all of that done. Let's see it, Pick Monkey, Canva.com, Prelo, and many others. There are so many of them. So you save yourself the stress, having to pay anybody to get this your thumbnails and your graphics done by getting this software. It's a very low entry software with I think $17. You can have this software for yourself. Okay, so these are some proofs on Fiverr. People are 10 thumbnails for $40, 25 dollars for a thumbnail, $50, $20, and all of that. So imagine the least service is $20 and you're purchasing all these for just $17. So thumbnail creator is a nice software for you to pick up. You can see these are lovely thumbnails. All you have to do is just pick. This is a thumbnail in photography. This is another one in a home office. I don't want to play this, so let me try pause it. Okay, so this is another one in pregnant yoga, fashion, girls smiling, and all of that. You can just come here, edit the text, and then there you go. So all you have to do is follow my link, get to where it says get access now, Click on the get access button, purchase the product, and then claim all bonuses. I look forward to your testimonies. Tell me about the software. Tell me your experience. Let me know how it's helping your business. Let me know if it's working for you over there. Send me every details I need to know. I'll be happy to read them and then guide you accordingly. If you have any problems or issues, feel free to leave an email for me or message me as well. I will be happy to respond to them and help you push your business to the next level. So click the link below this video, get instant access, claim all my bonuses, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much.